Morning. This is Arnie Waters at Waters Capital here in Boston, Massachusetts. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all our friends and clients. We hear a lot about the amount $1 trillion, $1 trillion, $1,000 billion. And that's an awfully big number. To give some perspective on that, we heard on the street a different way of looking at that number. Here's the thought. If you had spent $1 million every day since the day of Jesus Christ's birth, you would not have spent $1 trillion. If you had spent $1 million every day since the day of Jesus Christ's birth, you would not have spent $1 trillion. I went to Boston Latin School, as many of you know, and when I first put this up on my Twitter account, a devoted Latin school Facebook friend of mine, of course, counted it up to make sure that I was correct and that the information I received was correct. So it is, in fact, correct that even if you'd spent $1 million every day since the day of Jesus Christ's birth, you would not have spent $1 trillion. And that gives you some reason to understand the depth of the problem that we face with these trillions of dollars of debt. Now, I repeatedly say we don't think the world's going to come to an end. We think over the next 10 years, America is going to earn itself out of the mess that it's in, caused by Wall Street greed and manipulation and collusion by the Republican administration of that time that caused this situation. So we think everything's going to be fine. But in the meantime, we'd like to make some money. And we had a specific option idea up yesterday. If you want to see it, check on my Twitter account. I will have another option idea up in the next couple of hours because we think there is some money to be made in the next little while. But structurally, we see gold holding at $13.97 with a resistance level around $13.75. What does that tell you? Well, it tells you that a lot of people are concerned about the world. And if you bought gold when it was $1,200, you've made a pile of money. Our projections remain intact. We think gold's going to have a significant up move due to the technical information that we study. We also think that gold's a supply and demand market. The less the supply, the greater the demand, the more the price is going to go up. A final thought about oil prices. We're seeing an increase in oil prices. Regular followers know the reason for that is simple. Dollar goes down, oil prices go up. Why? The sheikhs are paid in dollars. Real simple. So they want to keep making as much money as they're making now, so they're going to keep raising prices. So rare earths, oil, gold, worldwide economy, all things that give us both an opportunity to profit and an opportunity to gain more understanding. Aim for the ice flows, not the open water. Keep swinging.